Namaskar, I am Subhanush Mahapatra. I am heading HR and Admin Department of Parag Dairy Varanasi, which is a milk cooperative in the Purvanchal of Uttar Pradesh. We conducted one training program for our sales and marketing team on the topic of sales and distribution excellence, creating a winning team in collaboration with National Dairy Development Board. The training was conducted for 3 days, 7 to 9th March, and the training was imparted by Mr. Lalit Mehra from Disha Consultants. I would like to mention that Mr. Mehra is a very experienced trainer. He has a very vast experience in giving training to various fields. But in sales, I could see that he actually understands the need of the participants and accordingly he delivers. And it has actually happened on the field also when the trainees completed the training and they joined on the field. We could see that they were full of enthusiasm, they were full of energy, they were highly motivated, and they were actually delivering. So I would like to say that it's a very, very effective training, and I congratulate Mr. Lalit Mehra for conducting this successful training, and also I would like to thank National Dairy Development Board for organizing this training. Thank you so much.